This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa Remington. This charming property at 147 Jesters Lane off Old News Road near shopping, transportation and new town is being sold as Is.Open floor plan, LVP and living room with vaulted ceiling and fireplace. Buyers are encouraged to complete all necessary inspections to ensure the home meets their specific needs. The property offers excellent potential for customization to suit your personal style and preferences. Please note that the seller will not be making any repairs if needed. This is an ideal opportunity for those looking to invest in a project and create their dream home. Don't miss out on this great opportunity in an in-town location. No HOA and private well/septic on large lot. March 6, 2025. For more information, review the details below.